my name's Alison Beach. I just parked my car right down here where there's plentiful of street parking at the sought-after Landmark Mews Community. And we're walking over here to 6285 Chaucer View Circle, and I'll show you the rest of the house. Welcome to 6285 Chaucer View Circle in Alexandria. What you have here is a beautiful kitchen that was recently renovated, as you can see, with high-end appliances. We've got a Decor 4-burner gas stove, KitchenAid convection oven, an oven itself, and then also your warming drawer. As you can see, they have put in a beautiful backsplash, shiny quartz countertops, and gorgeous white shaker cabinets. And tons of lighting. Beautiful for any chef. Welcome back. Thanks for touring. We saved the best for last. Thanks again for touring 6285 Chaucer View Circle. My name is Alison Beach with DC Modern Living. If you have any questions at all or about the home or anything else, I'm always here to help, so call me on my cell anytime. My number is 703-828-8555.